Hello and welcome. First, let's take a look at the application that we will create. So the user to use our application, he needs to be registered and logged in. Let's create a new account, register. Account created successfully. The user needs to verify his email. Let's go here. So here we have the verification link. Let's click on verify email address. And now the email has been verified successfully. We are in the home page. So the user will upload an invoice and we will use the Hugging Face to analyze and extract the text from our invoice and store it inside our database. Let's see a demo. If we move to upload, here we can generate a random invoice to test up. Let's generate it. Here is our invoice. We can now use it here and upload it, and once uploaded, let's see the invoice. So here is our invoice. As you can see, we have the company, days, the amounts. Thank you for your business. Hugging Face will extract the text that we have here and return it, and we will store it inside our database, as you can see here, and the user can later download the file if he wants. And as you can see here, we have a number of hearts that is decrementing each time we upload a file, and once stored, so the hearts will be decrementing, as you can see here. And we have now 2. Okay, and when we reach 0, so the user needs to be subscribed to use our application again, or wait a short time that we will specify, for example 1 hour or 2 hours, and then use our application. Let's do something. Let's move to our terminal here and let's run PHP artisan tinker. So we can update this user, not this one, but this user that we have here. We update the number of hearts and set it to 0, so we can see the subscription button. Let's use the app models user and find user number 1, and we update his hearts and we give him 0, but we need to close our array here and let's run it. We have now true. If we refresh the page, the users still have 8 here. I think that we have many users, that's why we have 8 here. Let's go back. Let's find all the users and then we can update it. So let's get all the users. Now we have all the users, and I think this is the user who has 8 hearts. Number 2, not number 1. Okay, let's find number 2 and give it 0 hearts. Now let's go back, refresh, and now as you can see we have 0 hearts. Let's try to upload an invoice. As you can see, you reached your limit. Resume at 10:45 or subscribe now $18 per month, and you get 100 hearts. Cancel anytime. If we click subscription button, So now we are redirected to Stripe checkout form. Here we can provide our test card and name, and we can subscribe, and subscription is done successfully. We are redirected to the home page, and as you can see, we have now 100 hearts. We can now upload a new invoice. Okay, let's test again. Upload, and invoice is uploaded successfully. Okay, so this is the application that we will create. You need to have a Stripe account and also a Hugging Face account. We can use them together, and also a MailTrap account, so we can verify user emails, okay, when the user is registered. So let's start with our database. Let's move to our terminal. You need to create a new Laravel 13 application. I have already done this step. Let's create our models and migrations. PHP artisan make migrate and or make model, not migrate, make model. And we need first model is invoice with the migration. The invoice model and the migration have been created successfully. Let's move to the subscription model and migration. And that's all. Let's move to our database migrations. We have here the user. Let's add some fields to our user. So the user has named email password by default, and we need to give it the hearts, as we have seen hearts, and the hearts is integer. And here we need a default. Let's give it 10. Okay, 10 hearts for free. And we need another field which is date time. Let's give it the type time stamps or timestamp, and here or timestamp. Okay, and here the name of the field is next available at, and I will tell you later why we need this field. Just follow me for now, and let's make it nullable. And as I told you, I will tell you later why we need it. Okay, we have the hearts and we have next available at. That's all. Save. Let's move to the next. Next we have invoice, and invoice has the first field. Let's see what we have here. So the first field is the company string, and let's add here company, and company is nullable. Okay, what else we have? So we have company, we have invoice number, company invoice number, and we need also a date. So let's make this field type here date, and here date, and here nullable. And next we have the total. Let's make it decimal, and we have here total, and we can use 10 in the total and 2 in the places. What else we have? We have currency, which is string, and we have also foreign, not foreign, but before the foreign we need file path, so we can store the file, and file path we can make it not null. What else we need? Now we need foreign key, which is the foreign user ID. So foreign ID, and we need here the user ID. Okay, and we can use constrained and cascade on delete. Cascade on delete. If you add admin later and you delete user, you can delete his invoices. So we have the company, the invoice number, we have the date, and we have also the total, and we have currency, and we have also the file path and foreign ID, which is the user ID. Let's move to the next. The next is subscriptions. Same thing. Let's go back to our invoice. We need the user. Let's copy only this two and paste here. We need the user ID, which is foreign K, and same thing, cascade on delete, and we need first field is Stripe subscription ID. So we need to store here Stripe subscription ID, and this field is unique. And we will see that in action later when we reach Stripe payment. Next, we need another field, which is Stripe customer ID, which is the user ID, customer ID. And this field is not unique. Let's remove the unique from this fields. We have Stripe customer ID, and the type here is string, and also here string, and we need also Stripe price ID, and you will see that also soon when we reach the payment. Stripe price ID, and it's string, and we need also status of subscription, if it is active or cancelled, and we need also another field, which is the current period, and which is the end of the subscription, the date of the end, and this field needs to be null. And we need also the cancelled at, if it is cancelled, but we will do something when we cancel subscription. We will delete it, so no need to keep it, but if you want to keep it, you can keep the records and check the status. You will find that the subscription is cancelled, and here you will have the date. Okay, but in our application, when the user cancels subscription, we will delete it. Okay, and we can make it also non-able. And here we have the time or the type, time stamp. So for the cancelled at, and also the current period end. So these are all the fields we need. We need Stripe subscription ID. We need also Stripe customer ID, and we need the Stripe price ID, and we need that status, and we need current period end, and we need cancelled at. As I told you, this is optional. You can add it or remove it. Just later, if you want to improve the application, you can add the cancelled subscriptions, or you can keep them, and also we need the user. So I think that's all. Now what we need to do, we need to migrate our database, PHP artisan migrate, and we are done. Okay, now we have migrated our database. Next, we need to move to the model relationships